This right here is usually where our RV is sitting when we come to visit family. There's nothing there but a truck and a floor mat. So yes, it's true, we sold our RV. So we actually are probably technically kind of homeless right now. But yes, we're staying with family right now during this holiday time and during this transition time while we try and put all the different puzzle pieces together so that we can get to what's next. So it seemed like everything happened really fast all in the beginning, and now everything just kind of slowed way down. It's exactly like they always say, hurry up and wait. So the way that this all unfolded is we actually found an RV that we liked. And that was kind of a big deal for us because we always have been keeping our eye out for the next RV or what we would want to move to. But the problem is we liked our RV so much. I guess that's a good problem to have. It felt so much like home. It fit our family really well. And we would come back to it and we're like, we actually like this one better than the majority of the RVs out there that we saw. So we just kept what we had. But then we found this RV that all four of us were excited about it. We saw it and we liked it and we were excited. And then within that same day or two, it seemed like we had somebody that kind of came into our path that needed an RV. They were looking for some kind of a tiny home situation. And so they had land, they had a place to put it. They just needed the living structure. So we were able to sell our RV to them, and it worked out well. We were able to get back to our hometown, clear everything out, and get it moved to their property and set up for them. So we sold our RV, but the one that we saw isn't quite ready for us. I do have to say it does feel really weird not having our RV. Because usually when we come into our hometown and we're visiting family, we have our own home. So we're super thankful to be able to stay with family and that they have a couple extra rooms that we're able to stay in. So super thankful for that during this transition period. But really the jury's still out if we're gonna miss our older RV once we get our next RV. Because once we moved everything out, it just seemed different. I mean, it still had all the renovation and the things that made it feel more like a home and less like an RV. But really what brought the memories and the life to it was us spending the time together and going to those places and making those memories. One of the things that I'm excited about for the next RV is it's going to present a new set of challenges and new things to work through and overcome. I always like a good project. So let me give you a quick sneak peek into something that I'm working on for the next RV, which is this table. We were able to get into the RV and take some measurements so that I could start working on some projects for in the RV. But the table represents a lot to me because it's something that we come around together as a family. We enjoy meals together, we talk, we laugh, we play games, we make plans at that table. There's just a lot that happens around that table. It gets used for so much, and it just means a lot of the family coming together around the table. Now, my wife would say that I'm a sentimental guy. That's why I love putting out the Motivation to RV videos, but that's why I'm gonna miss a little piece of the old RV, just for the sentimental reasons. But I'm also a guy that loves to look forward, so I'm really excited about what this next RV is gonna mean for us and being able to work through those challenges and just be excited about that next adventure. So Aaron, if you're watching, thanks for the new coffee mug. Not only is it an awesome mug, the message on it is very fitting and perfect. And so the adventure begins. So stick around because we're really excited to share with you what our next RV is, and we have tons of things planned, lots of projects and tips and tutorials that we're really excited about. So if you want to see more videos about RVing, hit that subscribe button, and if we don't see you on the road, hopefully we will see you next video. Oh, we won't see you on the road right now because we don't have our RV, but see you in the next video.